Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to insert shape to the Power BI canvas. Click on the Shape button from the top ribbon of Power BI Canvas. You will have various different types of shapes available for selection. I will select Rectangle to insert to the canvas. You can format visual from the Formats section. We can use this shape as a button and dedicate different action types to this shape. I will select Page Navigation and select Page 1 to navigate. You can press Ctrl on your keyboard and click on the button. This will take you to the second page. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and get regular updates.